I will show you a website that can pay you over $74,000 a month in pure passive income while searching Google. So you don't need your own website on Google. You don't need any social media followers. You don't need to invest a single dollar. And you can be a complete beginner from anywhere in the world searching on Google using this website and making tens of thousands of dollars a month if you're able to pull this off right. Then I'm going to walk you through the entire process in this video and show you exactly how this works. So drop a like down below and let us begin with the step number 1. Before we go any deeper, I want to show you my monthly earnings, and as you can see, I made $29,000 in last 30 days. If you want to leave your 9-to-5 job and wants to make money like me, just check out my first link in description. Watch my free video. I will personally help you to earn $30,000 in a month. You will get your first sale in just 24 hours. How good is this? Just check out now, which is to go over to Google and search for different articles that give people advice on how to rank higher on Google Maps or just how to rank higher on Google overall. So you just want to find articles that are providing value. For example, I found this article that says 10 key steps to ranking higher in Google Maps. If I open up this article, you're going to see that this is how it looks. It says 10 key steps to ranking higher in Google Maps, and it gives some useful advice and tips for people that want to rank higher with Google Maps. Now, what I can do is I can copy the link for this article and I can proceed on to the next step, which is to open up Lie. Lie is a tool that will allow you to add an evil pop-up to literally any website out there. You're going to see exactly what that means and exactly how you can make money with that. But first things first, you want to create an ad. So you want to click on create new ad right over here. You want to leave it a name. I'm just going to say Google rankings and I'm going to click on ad. And that ad is going to be the evil pop-up, which is going to be right over here. So you want to click on evil pop-up and you want to show this after about 8 to 10 seconds. So I'm just going to add this after 8 seconds. So while someone is reading the article, they're going to get this pop-up after 8 seconds. Now we're going to customize this. You can, of course, change your profile name. What I would personally do is instead of the profile name, I'm going to say $500 free Google ad credit. And I'm going to say, learn how to rank higher on Google and get a $500 free Google ad coupon. And then the button text is going to be click here to claim the $500 Google ad coupon. And now the button link, which is the most important link. And by the way, I'm also going to remove the actual logo by right click. So I don't really need that. So I'm just going to remove that. You can even upload your own logo. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then for the button link, you want to go over to Ad Creative AI, which is a tool that helps people improve conversion rates on their ads with high converting ad creativists like these. But most importantly, when actually someone signs up to Ad Creatives, they're going to get a $500 free Google Ads credit for the ads they are running on Google so they can, first of all, rank higher. But they're also going to get $500 of free ads for their website or their business. So this is really, really beneficial for someone. Not only can they get better conversion rates, but they also get a $500 free Google ad coupon. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of Ad Creative, and there you're going to find their affiliate program right over here. And you want to sign up as an affiliate because you're going to be paid 30% recurrent commission, which can go as $7,000 per month if you refer 100 people. If you refer 1,000 people, that's going to be $74,000 per month in pure passive income as long as they are using Ad Creative. As long as they keep on using, you're going to be making $74,000 every single month. If you can refer 1,000 people. Plus, they're going to give you a one-time $10,000 bonus for referring 1,000 people to the platform. So you want to sign up as a partner, but right over here, you want to sign up as an affiliate, click on Become a Partner. And then once you create an account and you get accepted as an affiliate, this is how it's going to look like. It's hosted on Partner Stack where you can scroll a little bit down and you can see your affiliate link right over here. So you can copy your affiliate link and then you want to go back to right click and you want to paste that button link. You want to paste it into the button link box so that when someone clicks on this, they are redirected to Ad Creative. So now you can scroll a little bit down and you can click on done and you will have your ad created. Now, most importantly, what you want to do with this ad is you want to enter the destination URL, which is going to be the URL of this article. So you're going to type that in here and then you're just going to select your ad. In this case, it's Google Rankings for me. And then I will click on Create a Link with Ad. And now I can copy this link. And if someone goes to this link, you're going to see that that's going to take them to the article. And while they're reading about 10 steps to ranking higher in Google Maps while they are going through the website, after 8 seconds of them being on the website, there's going to be an evil pop-up that's going to show up on the screen. And once that evil pop-up shows on the screen, they're going to be able to click on the button, which is going to take them to Add Creative AI. So what we can simply do right now is you can go over to Google and you can find businesses that are trying to rank higher. And those businesses can build literally any type of businesses, and they can also be around the world. So it doesn't need to be a specific city or whatsoever. So you can, for example, search for barber shop in New York. You can also search for a coffee shop in Bali, in Canggu, in Uluwafil, too, all around the world. You can find it from places and find different businesses, search for them and find people that are not ranking at the top. So for example, I found this premium barber shop in New York. And in most of the cases, if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the website of these businesses, you're going to be able to find their email address, which you can copy, and then you can send them an email, and that email can basically explain that you can help them. So for example, you can just say in the subject line, "Are you accepting new clients?" So it's going to improve the click-through rate. And then you can just write a brief email, and maybe you can even tell them that you're not selling anything. You're just providing free value. You can tell them how beneficial it's going to be if they're ranking higher on Google, and if they're actually running Google ads, but you don't have anything to sell them. You can just tell them that they can read this article to learn more about ranking higher on Google, and they can rate it for free. So you're just providing free value. You're not selling anything. And they're going to open up that article through the right link. They're going to start reading the article, and after 8-10 seconds they're going to see the pop-up on the screen that tells them that they can get a $500 Google Ads credit. And obviously, if they have a business, they're interested in getting a free $500 Google Ad credit. So they're going to sign up through a link. And if you get 1,000 people signed up through your link, that's going to be over $74,000 per month in affiliate commissions and pure passive income with Ad Creative. So go there, test this method, and let me know how it went in the comments down below. I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and I will see you next time. Once again, if you want to get my personal help to earn $30,000 a month, please check my free video. I will personally help you to earn $30,000 in a month. You will get your first sale in just 24 hours. How good is this? Just check out now.